Today I'm going to show you how to make shirts with custom transfers. You are going to absolutely love this process. It is such a time saver. I mean, you don't have to cut or weed any heat transfer vinyl, plus the transfers are better quality and last longer than any HTV. This has been such a great process because one, it is super easy to design new designs and upload them right into the software. Two, it is such a time saver. You can do designs that you can't do with vinyl, but also save all of that time from weeding and all of that. It is so easy. I got the transfer super quick and was able to pump out so many shirts. My name is Allison and I post weekly tutorials to help you get inspired to make new things. If that sounds like your jam, make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment underneath this video with your thoughts on this process. Let's go ahead and get started. I am so excited to show this process to you. So you're going to start by going to proworldinc.com. I do have a link underneath this video. It is right on their homepage. We're going to be using the SUPACOLOR heat transfer to get a full color transfer images. If you don't see it there, you can go up to custom transfers and click the link. So you can get all sorts of different sizes. They have different transfers for like sports style shirts, for hats, but we're just going to go with this regular SUPACOLOR. It is full color, and you're going to have to choose what size image that you want. The good thing is that they show photos. I went with the A4 size for a solid, t-shirt size. So then you can go into design heat transfer, and you basically have two options. You can upload your own image. So whether you make it in something like Silhouette Studio or Adobe Illustrator, or you buy it from somewhere like Etsy, or like I love getting all of my stuff from Creative Fabrica. You can add stuff there. You can add text if you want, if you just needed something simple. Or they have ideas and designs already loaded in. So it's super cool. So if I go to beach, right, summer's coming up, look at all of these designs that they have already in here. So let's go ahead and, let's try this one. This is like for a family vacation, and these transfers would be perfect for that because the minimum order is 10, but if you're making shirts for everybody, you could save so much time by getting transfers versus, doing this with heat transfer vinyl. So I'm going to go ahead. Maybe you want to do like the Sullivan family. You can change the designs, and we're going to go to, Orlando's not on the beach. We're going to go to, let's say we're going to go to Clearwater, Florida or something. And maybe I wanted it to say like, beach week is cute, but you could also say like, just like vacation, right? Whatever you want to do, you can change the text and do things differently. You can actually change fonts. You can change colors, right? If I wanted to actually make this more of like a darker blue, maybe. You can also change everything you want. You can change the text shape. Like obviously that one wouldn't work, but like this kind of curving stuff is pretty cool. And then you can change the size. So it's like really customizable for what you are looking for. You can even change the colors on the images. So, you can just play around with this to be how you like it. And then if you go to next step, you can add these to your cart. The minimum order is 10, but it is perfect if you need to make larger quantities of shirts. So for 10 designs, it's going to be $66. So it's about $6.60 a piece, which is pretty good. Plus the cost of the shirt, a couple dollars. You're saving so much time when you're doing this. So then you can go ahead and say buy now. You can save it and add it to your cart. They will send you an email to proof it and confirm that's what you want. And I got my transfers within a couple of days. The other thing you can do is upload your own design. So if you have, a sublimation or a PNG image that you got or you made, you can go here and actually upload your file. So you're going to choose your PNG file, and then you can keep original, remove the white background if you don't have it. But if you're buying an image, you should be buying a PNG file that comes with a clear background. But if you're making it, you could also export it that way. I want it to be full color, and then you'll just kind of resize it within the limits of what you already chose. And then you'll follow the exact same steps to get it printed and sent to you, and then we can put it on our shirts. The process of adding the transfers to your shirt is so super easy. I love my new heat press. You can see it's big. It's a 16 by 20. It is like a pull-out tray, so I can't wait to share with you all about this heat press. But get your shirts ready. Here is what the transfer looks like. The colors are very, very vibrant, and you can see on the back they have white, so it really makes the colors pop. In order to add these to your shirts, you want to pre-press your shirt just for about 10 seconds. My heat press currently is at 320 degrees, and I let that sit for about 10 seconds. Then I added my transfer, got it nice and lined up. Use, whatever tools you need to make sure that you have it lined up. And then you're going to press it for 12 to 15 seconds at 320 degrees. And as soon as you open your press, you can do a hot peel. It is so easy to get these on your shirts. There is no cutting of all these colors of vinyl and layering and weeding and all of that. I literally took that transfer and it took 30 seconds to get it on my shirt. And you can see how bright and vibrant these colors really are. Here is a close-up of what they look like. I absolutely love the idea of using transfers. I think it is perfect for anybody who's going to do multiple of the same designs. It's perfect for anybody who's going to do like a craft fair or a booth or a vendor booth or something like that. It'll save you so much time. And I honestly think dollar for dollar, if you are doing a multicolored design in HTV, it's going to cost you so much in supplies that buying transfers is really not going to cost you any more money, and you are saving so much time. I mean, it took me 30 seconds to press and peel this shirt and it was done. There was no weeding involved and it was super painless. So I 10 out of 10 recommend these SUPACOLOR transfers. Are so vibrant and easy to work with. I definitely recommend. You do need a heat press when you're gonna do transfers. So I am going to talk about my heat press in the next video and why I absolutely love it and how it has changed the game for me with both apparel and all things sublimation. I'm gonna link that video on your screen right now.